Sometimes, life surprises us in ways we never imagined. You may feel that something is happening behind the scenes, something that is about to be revealed. This feeling that something important is about to happen has been gaining strength within you. But what could it be? The truth is that, from time to time, the universe sends subtle signs, preparing us for a great revelation. But are you ready to face this truth? It takes courage to open your heart and be totally receptive to what is to come. This revelation may come from someone unexpected, from a person you would never imagine being connected to in such a deep way. It is curious how, many times, the answers we seek come from sources we would never suspect. It could be a truth long kept, a secret that will transform the way you see this person and, most importantly, yourself. Sometimes, the truth is like a key that opens new doors on our spiritual journey. You may have noticed small signs lately, something different in the looks, the words said, or even in the silence. There is an energy in the air signaling that a change is about to occur. This energy is not fleeting. It carries an important message that will soon be revealed. But to understand this message, you must be attentive, in tune with the small details the universe places in your path. Often, these signs are the clues that anticipate a greater revelation. The revelations that transform our lives rarely arrive in an obvious way. They present themselves as riddles, mysteries that ask you to look beyond the superficial. Now, the universe is whispering to you. It is asking you to be open and willing to listen to what this person is about to share. It could be a truth that changes everything, or a missing piece of the puzzle that helps you understand something that has been incomplete for a long time. There is an invisible force acting, connecting events and people in such a way that, when the revelation finally occurs, everything will seem obvious. However, while the truth doesn't come to light, this force remains hidden, working behind the scenes. You might not be seeing this clearly now, but something much greater is being prepared. And when this truth is revealed, you will realize that all your experiences until now were preparing you for this moment. The wait for a truth can be uncomfortable. When we feel that something is about to be revealed, our hearts fill with doubts and expectations. But remember that this feeling is an invitation for growth. It challenges you to be ready to embrace what comes, whether it be an answer that brings relief or a new question that will open pathways to a deeper understanding. In both cases, you will be prepared. The emotions you feel now, the anxiety, the curiosity, the desire for answers, are signs that your soul is preparing for this revelation. Many times, we are tested before receiving the truths we seek. It is as if the universe wants to know if we are truly ready. And in some way you know you are. That sense of readiness is in your heart, just waiting for the right moment to surface. There is a spiritual wisdom that surrounds the great revelations of life. They don't happen when we want, but when we are ready to receive them. You may be impatient, but know that divine timing is working in your favor. This is the moment to trust in this process, to believe that, when this person finally reveals the secret they hold, it will be the exact moment when you are ready to understand. When this revelation arrives, it will bring not only the truth, but also a new clarity about your own journey. You will realize that, in some way, you always knew something was coming. Your dreams, your thoughts, and even your deepest intuitions were guiding you in this direction. Now the universe is about to connect all the pieces, and you will see the complete picture. Everything starts to make sense when you are open to the truth. The secret that will be revealed has the power to transform not only your relationship with this person, but also with yourself. The truth sets us free, and this revelation will bring deep liberation. It will be a moment of self-discovery, of recognizing your inner strength and your potential to handle any situation. This truth, as challenging as it may seem, will be an opportunity for growth, for personal and spiritual evolution. As this secret begins to unfold, you will start to realize how everything was interconnected all along. Every step you took, every choice made, was leading you to this moment. It was no accident that you got here. The revelation that is coming will be the final piece of a puzzle you were already putting together for some time, even without realizing it. Now, all that remains is for you to prepare. Prepare your heart, your mind, and your spirit. The secret is about to be revealed, and when it is, you will be ready to embrace the truth and all the changes it will bring with it. This is the moment you have been waiting for, the moment when the universe shows you that everything makes sense. What will you do with this truth? Only time will tell. As this revelation draws near, you may feel a mixture of emotions, anticipation, perhaps a slight apprehension. This is natural. Great truths rarely come without shaking a few foundations. The secret that is about to be revealed will stir your perceptions, perhaps even challenge some of your deepest beliefs. But remember, every challenge brings with it an opportunity for growth. What you are about to discover is not just about this person, but also about yourself. You may not have noticed, but your intuition has been whispering for some time. Small coincidences, seemingly casual conversations, looks that seem to contain more than words. All of this was preparing you for this moment. Now this secret will be unveiled, and when it happens, you will finally understand the purpose of so many things that previously seemed meaningless. The universe was setting the stage, and now you will see what was hidden. This person, who carries the secret, has been around you in ways you may not have realized. There is a deep connection between you that goes beyond what is visible. Often, what is not said has more power than what is clearly expressed. Perhaps you have felt a distance or a coldness from them. But know that, in truth, this person was dealing with their own truths and internal battles. Now, the moment to bring everything to light has finally arrived. The approaching revelation will be a watershed moment. When this person shares what is on their heart, you'll be able to understand the reasons behind so many actions and choices that seemed incomprehensible. Truth sometimes is painful, but it also brings healing. And this particular truth has the potential to heal old wounds, to close cycles that have been open for too long. It is the opportunity to start something new, to redefine the relationship and perhaps even your own path. It is important to remember that what is to come is not just about this person, but about you. How will you react to this revelation? It will be an opportunity to show your inner strength, to exercise forgiveness, understanding, and above all, love. The love you have within you will be the key to transforming any challenge that this truth may bring. The universe never places in our path something we cannot endure. So, trust that you are prepared for what is to come. This truth may bring tears, but do not be afraid of them. Sometimes, tears are a sign that we are finally releasing something we have held onto for a long time. They can be the starting point for a new phase in your life, lighter and more genuine. Each tear shed will be a step towards healing and emotional freedom. And this freedom is something the universe wants to offer you now, through this revelation. You may feel a mix of relief and surprise when you finally hear the words that this person has been holding back. The relief will come from the fact that, deep down, you always knew something needed to be said. And the surprise will come from the way the truth will present itself, perhaps in a way you did not expect. Major revelations often arrive simply, but their impact is profound and transformative. Prepare for many other things to start falling into place after this revelation. It is as if, upon discovering this secret, the pieces of the puzzle of your life will finally begin to come together. What once seemed confusing will now start to make sense. The answers you have been seeking will be in front of you, and you will see how the universe has been working to guide you to this point. This will not be just any revelation. It will bring with it changes, both internal and external, changes that will strengthen and transform you. As you assimilate this truth, you will realize that your worldview will begin to expand. What once seemed limited will now be seen with new eyes. This revelation will be the beginning of a new phase, a phase where fear will give way to confidence and where doubts will transform into certainty. But remember, transformation begins within you. As the truth is revealed, it is essential that you remain connected to your own essence. You will have the opportunity to react with love and compassion, both for this person and for yourself. After all, this revelation is not just about what they want to tell you, but about how you choose to respond. Your choices going forward will shape the future of your life and the relationship you share with this person. The moment you've been waiting for is coming. When the truth finally comes to light, you will realize that everything you've lived through so far was preparation for this moment. All the pains, challenges, and joys were molding you, strengthening you, so that now you are ready to receive this revelation. And when it comes, you will know exactly what to do. When the truth is finally revealed, it is likely that you will feel a whirlwind of emotions. This is absolutely normal. Life has this way of testing us, putting us in situations that challenge our understanding and our ability to accept what is shown to us. But remember, this revelation is not just a test. It is also a gift, an opportunity to see reality with new eyes and, above all, to embrace a truth that has always been on your path. This person, who carries the secret, may be just as nervous as you. The truth they guard has been a heavy burden, something they have carried for a long time and now feel the need to share. Perhaps they hesitated, fearing your reaction, or maybe they themselves didn't know how to put it into words. However, now the moment has arrived, and with it, the need to free themselves from this weight. This is an opportunity for both to grow, each in their own way. Great revelations rarely happen in isolation. They come surrounded by emotions, memories, and reflections. It may be that, upon hearing what this person has to say, you are transported to moments of the past. Moments that, at the time, didn't make sense, but now with this new perspective gain clarity. What once seemed disconnected will now be seen as part of a larger plan, something the universe orchestrated for your spiritual growth. With this revelation, you may feel a mix of relief and uncertainty. Relief for finally knowing the truth, but also uncertainty about what will come next. This is an important transition. What you do with this truth will determine the course of things from now on. But know that you are not alone. The universe is always guiding you, and your angels are by your side, offering guidance and comfort every step of the way. Perhaps upon hearing this truth, you will wonder why it took so long for it to come to light. It is natural to question the timing of things, but remember, divine timing is perfect. This revelation could only come now, at this moment, when you are ready to receive it and deal with its implications. If it had come earlier, you might not have been ready to fully understand it. Now, with a stronger heart and a more open mind, you'll be able to absorb every detail of this truth and learn from it. Revelations have the power to transform not only our relationships, but also the way we see life. When this person shares what they have been holding inside, you'll have a choice to make. Use this truth as a springboard for growth, or allow it to create barriers between you. What is clear is that this revelation has the potential to bring you closer, to bring to the surface feelings that were, until now, submerged, waiting for the right moment to emerge. This truth, no matter how mixed the emotions it brings, will also be liberating. By sharing their secret, this person will be revealing a part of themselves that you may have never seen before. And by listening with an open heart, you'll be taking an essential step towards healing, not just in your relationship, but also in dealing with wounds you might not even know existed. The power of truth lies in its ability to bring to light what was hidden, and that is what is about to happen. From the moment the truth is revealed, you may begin to see things differently. Your feelings might change, and you may understand aspects of your life that were previously confusing. This clarity is a gift from the universe, something that happens only when we are ready to evolve. And this is your moment. You are prepared for this, to receive this truth and shape a new phase of your life from it. Even if what you hear brings up difficult issues, remember that every revelation carries a lesson. Perhaps this truth has come to teach you about forgiveness, patience, or unconditional love. Maybe it is here to show you that even in the most challenging times, there is an opportunity to grow and become stronger. Whatever the lesson may be, know that you are capable of absorbing it and emerging stronger from this process. With time, you will realize that this revelation, as impactful as it may be, was necessary. It will open doors to new possibilities, both in your relationship with this person and on your own spiritual path. You will begin to see things more clearly, to understand why certain events happened and how they prepared you for this exact moment. That's the beauty of revelations. They free us from the past and push us toward a brighter future. Be ready to embrace what is coming. The secret to be revealed will change the way you see the world and, more importantly, the way you see yourself. The answers you have been seeking are coming, and with them, a new understanding of life. All you need to do is stay open and receptive to the truth. The universe will do the rest, guiding you to the next chapter of your journey. Now that you are about to receive this revelation, it is time to prepare inwardly. Often, before something big happens, the universe sends us signs, gives us time to reflect and connect with our own strength. You have already been through a long journey to get here, and each stage was a learning that prepared you for this moment. The secret to be revealed will be the culmination of everything you have experienced so far. When this person finally shares their truth, it will feel like a relief. The words you will hear will bring a sense of liberation, both for her and for you. Things that once seemed inexplicable will start to make sense. You will see that the universe always had a plan, that each detail was connected, and that you, unknowingly, were being guided to this moment. This feeling of clarity will be transformative, and you will never look at things the same way again. After this revelation, it will be natural for you to go through a process of reflection. Everything you believed, all your certainties, may be challenged. But this is part of growth. Do not be afraid to question. to look within yourself and explore new understandings. Each revelation brings with it an opportunity to review, to reassess your choices and beliefs. This is the moment to allow the truth to find a new place within you. This process of internalizing the truth will be essential for your personal transformation. As you absorb what has been said, you will notice that your emotions will also begin to change. Where there was once uncertainty, there is now clarity. Where there was once doubt, you will now find answers. And with these answers, you will have the opportunity to rewrite your own story. Each revelation is an invitation to a new beginning, and you are ready for this new phase. Over time, you may realize that this revelation was not just about this person or this secret. It was showing you something about yourself, something you perhaps were not ready to see before. Now, with the truth before you, it will be impossible to ignore what it reflects in your heart. This is the moment to accept with all your being who you really are and what you have to offer to the world. As you integrate this truth into your life, you will notice how your perspective begins to change. Situations that once seemed difficult or incomprehensible will start to make sense. People and moments that once brought you pain or confusion will be seen with new eyes. The power of truth is this: it illuminates all the dark corners of our lives, bringing understanding where there was once only uncertainty. This revelation will also open up space for new opportunities. Perhaps a new path is opening up for you, something you never imagined possible. When the truth arrives, it brings with it the possibility of choices that were previously hidden. Now that you know what is really happening, you'll have the freedom to choose your next step with more security, more confidence, and more wisdom. The secret has been revealed, and with it, new doors will open. From now on, you will be a new person. Each revelation brings with it a transformation, and you will not be an exception. What you hear will change the way you see yourself and how you see the world. This is the power of truth. It transforms us from the inside out, in a subtle and at the same time profound way. And now, it is your moment to bloom. Leave behind doubts and uncertainties, and move forward with a new vision of life. This journey you started with so many questions is now reaching its peak. The answers you sought are here, and with them, comes the responsibility to act according to this new understanding. But above all, remember, this revelation is a gift. It gives you the chance to grow, to become a stronger, wiser, and more loving version of yourself. Enjoy every moment, every lesson that this truth will bring. The secret you are waiting for is not just an answer. It is the beginning of a new phase, a new cycle. Now that you know the truth, it is up to you to decide how to use it to shape your future. What will you do with this newly acquired wisdom? How will you allow this revelation to transform your life in a positive way? These are questions that only you can answer, and the universe will be supporting you in every decision. The journey you have taken so far has brought you exactly where you need to be. Now, with the secret revealed, with the truth finally before you, all that remains is to embrace this new phase with courage and gratitude. What the future holds for you is in your hands. You are ready to face whatever comes, and the universe will be at your side, guiding your steps toward a path of light, love, and fulfillment. This is your time to shine.